In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set WordPress homepage. Whether you're a blogger aiming to keep your audience updated with fresh content or a business looking to create a consistent first impression, setting the right homepage for your WordPress site is essential. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to customize your homepage to fit your needs, whether that means showcasing your latest posts or using a static page. If you're new to WordPress and don't yet have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to www.wordpress.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button and click on it. This will take you to the login screen. Now, if you'd like to simplify the process and connect your Google account for easier access in the future, select the Continue with Google option. This method not only saves time, but also ensures a seamless login experience going forward. From there, choose the Google account you want to use and click Continue. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. From here, look for the My Home section. This is where you'll find all the tools to manage your site. Now, hover your mouse over the Settings option in the dashboard menu. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Reading. This will bring you to the Reading Settings page, where you can control how your site's content is displayed to visitors. Locate a section labeled Your Homepage Displays. Click on it to reveal the available options. Here you have two choices. The first option is Your Latest Posts. If you choose this, your homepage will automatically display your most recent blog posts. This is a great choice for bloggers or anyone who wants to keep their site dynamic and regularly updated with fresh content. The second option is a static page. Selecting this allows you to choose a specific unchanging page to serve as your homepage. This option is ideal for businesses, portfolios, or individuals who want to create a consistent and professional first impression. If you opt for a static page, a drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select which page you'd like to use as your homepage. Simply click on the page that best fits your needs. Once you've made your choice, don't forget to save your changes. This step is crucial to ensure that your selected homepage setting is applied to your site. And there you have it. You've just learned how to customize the homepage of your WordPress site, giving you full control over how visitors experience your content. Whether you set it to display your latest posts or a static page, your site is now perfectly tailored to your goals. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.